Thanks for watching this video. This is one of a series of videos that I'm doing about books that really you ought to know about in any divorce proceedings. This is the Family Law Protocol. It's the latest one. It was issued in November 2010, so it's not the most recent in terms of date, but it is actually, I don't know why I've got this bookmark in here, sorry about that, I do use it, you see. What you've got is it's issued by the Law Society. You can get it through the internet, and what it does is it sets out how you're supposed to approach a divorce. Now you may find that this is useful because if you're going through an acrimonious divorce, you may find that the solicitor on the other side is not complying with the protocol, and it might be useful to refer him or her to the protocol, the relevant extracts, in order to bring it back online. The whole point of the protocol is to avoid acrimony wherever possible. Now, it talks about various codes of practice, ADR, which is about mediation mainly, but it can be arbitration. It talks about prenups, domestic violence, children law, whether or not you're getting to see your children or somebody's trying to take the children away from you. It talks about public law, which is care proceedings where social services may be involved. And it also deals with other areas which hopefully you won't come into contact with, such as abduction. I mean, that's an awful thing when child abduction occurs. And it talks about also divorce, child support, Schedule 1 proceedings under the Children Act. That's where you're not married, but you have children or a child, and you were saying, well, surely I have some rights, and yes, you do. The Children Act 1989 deals with that, and in particular, Schedule 1 can be very helpful to you. Also talks about financial proceedings within divorce, and it talks about cohabitation. So it's actually quite a useful book. Can recommend it. It talks about how you should prepare for court. All sorts of useful things are in here. It's not too long. I'm just having a look how long it is. It's about 145 pages, and then it's got various appendices with details of other books which you might find useful. So great starting point. Family Law Protocol, 3rd edition. Obviously when they bring out a 4th edition, I'll have to do another video. So there we are.